always assuming happiness, and that trait was awesome. He was a jolly good fellow. He kept having fun, not minding some circumstantial challenges around him. My father was so dedicated to Issele-Uku kingdom, and his commitment to the task of leading his people was impeccable. Though he was misunderstood, but he had Issele-Uku at heart. He was generous to a fault, kind-hearted, and never discriminated. As a king now, I have come to appreciate my father better as someone who was exceptionally happy. Nothing ever put him down, no matter the challenge or circumstance. I want to say, for everyone who has come out today to remember and celebrate our father after 10 years, we truly appreciate you. I think for someone like your father, he deserves this honor. He was actually planning his sister's birth anniversary with all the fanfare in mind, but unfortunately, that never happened. For me, this is the best way to celebrate it, for he truly deserves much more. I just want to warmly appreciate all Issele-Uku people for your support, cooperation, and unwavering commitment to our common patrimony and heritage. At every point in time, I am always proud to be the Obi of Issele-Uku. Our oneness, love, peaceful men, and reverence to our deep and rich cultural heritage makes me to be proud. I state unequivocally that I always enjoy this relationship, and I pray it continues to last forever and ever. To say that there was no challenge in the last 8 years of my reign is to say the least. Being economical with the truth, there were challenges, but we have always surmounted them by your support as pillars of progress. I have a dream where we can create a pool of funds dedicated to specific projects in this community. This reservoir of funds can address the issues of security, build, re-engineer and refocus the orientation and mindset of our children towards education and skills development. And of course, celebrate our annual New Year festivals with ease. The Ine Festival is our major cultural feast. We should be able to celebrate it without recourse to begging for support every year. Anyway, this is just to raise an awareness and ignite our consciousness towards this initiative. Whoever is willing to key into it can start thinking in this direction. I must not conclude without thanking immensely our son and brother, Prince Ibosoma, who has deemed it necessary to always present scholarship annually to our children in tertiary institutions through the Prince Ibosoma Foundation. This year, he has expanded his scope, and no less than 30 undergraduates will be beneficiaries of the sum of 300,000 naira each. May God Almighty and our great ancestors keep blessing you in all you do. And for our children in government, Honorable Ekamobi, the majority leader, and others who are helping to attract development to our community, I say more grace. The council chairman, Honorable Imapa Zinchi, is not exempted. He has shown to us that he came to work and we must support him. and to every of our illustrious sons and daughters at home and abroad. I say, may your show of love and self-help commitment to our community in one way or another never go unrewarded. Once again, I appreciate you all for coming to celebrate with the royal family on the 10th anniversary remembrance of Obi Henry Ezeagwuna, JP. God bless you and grant you journey mercy back to your very destinations. Odimi say.